Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to add websites to Microsoft Edge Compatibility Mode. This is a handy feature that can help you view websites that are designed for older browsers. First, we need to open Microsoft Edge. Look for the Microsoft Edge icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click on the icon to open the browser. Once the browser is open, we need to go to the settings. You can find the settings by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see a list of options on the left-hand side. Look for a default browser. Click on it to open a new set of options. In the default browser menu, you will see an option for Internet Explorer Compatibility. Click on it. This will open a new window. In the Internet Explorer Compatibility window, you will see a button that says Add. Click on this button. A new window will open where you can add the website you want to view in compatibility mode. Type the URL of the website you want to add in the box, and then click Add. The website will now be added to your compatibility list and will be viewed in compatibility mode the next time you visit it. And that's it. You have successfully added a website to Microsoft Edge's compatibility mode. Remember, this feature is useful for viewing websites that are designed for older browsers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.